Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by proving power is the issue, not the console internals. First, plug another device into the same outlet to verify power. Once confirmed, unplug the Xbox and the power brick, then wait a full 60 seconds so residual charge drains. This can clear transient faults. While waiting, examine the power cable and the console's rear port for bent pins, fraying, or corrosion. If you find visible damage, replace the cable. Make sure any replacement is rated for Xbox Series X. Now you move into diagnostic steps to isolate firmware or hardware faults. Press the console's front power button directly. If nothing, try turning it on via a paired controller. If the system is unresponsive, perform a long hold. Keep the power button pressed for 10 to 15 seconds to force a full shutdown and clear stuck states. If LEDs flicker but Windows won't start, use the recovery method. Hold, bind, and eject. Then press power. To access low-level firmware repair options for safe boot, finish by eliminating mechanical and supply failures before opening the unit. Listen for fan or drive spin. A stuck fan or seized HDD can stop startup. If you hear no movement, that suggests power delivery or internal failure. Swap in a verified working Xbox power cable or power brick to rule out the supply. Make sure to note that opening a sealed console voids warranty, so if those swaps fail, contact Microsoft support or an authorized service center. If you must open it, document steps and be cautious with ribbon cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.